$592, $593,
Kelly!
$595.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm working my core for beach season, Hunter.
Oh, God. Give me that. Where did you learn how to do that anyways?
I saw J-Lo do it on Instagram.
Instagram? How many times, Kelly, have I told you not to do the exercises you see on Instagram? Look, all right, I'll show you right now how to engage your core properly. Just follow along with me. What's going on? Coach Hunter here. I'm here with Kelly today, and today we're going to talk about how to actually engage your core properly. We had a conversation earlier today, Kelly and I, and she was telling me when she started working out, everybody was telling her to engage her core, and she just thought that meant sucking it in.
Right.
And so there's actually a way to do that. And the reality is, if you don't know how to engage your core correctly, doing all the different ab wheel exercises and doing all these exercises isn't going to be nearly as effective as it can be. You're actually putting yourself at risk for a back injury. So today, you're gonna get 3 different tips to engage your core and how to make exercises harder as you get stronger. So Kelly, let's hop right into it.
Okay.
So first, let's talk about some things to think about when engaging your core properly. So here, go ahead and lay down on your back, Kelly. And this is something that you can do with yourself. If you've got a friend, your husband, your wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, they can help you with this. So what I like to do is, Kelly, have your legs come up at a 90-degree angle. Great. And now I'm going to take these 2 fingers and just place them underneath Kelly's lower back. So what I'm going to tell Kelly to do is put pressure on my fingers. And so see how she's putting pressures on my fingers now? I can tell she's getting that feedback from me that she's engaging your core. And do you feel that in your core?
Oh, yes.
Right. So whenever you're doing a core exercise on your back, you want to put pressure down onto the floor. Now, Kelly, what you can do is just let one leg go out away from the body and then right back in. And let's actually straighten these arms right now. Good. And let's do the opposite leg. And so Kelly, while you're doing this, I want you to keep that pressure on my fingers. Now, while she's letting her leg go further away from her body, that exercise is getting harder. There's more weight being put on her core. And so in order for her to do it properly, she needs to keep the pressure on my fingers. Okay, we can even take it a step further, and Kelly, now let's go both legs out at the same time. So this is even more difficult, and I could feel her back come off, bring them right back. So you're gonna kind of figure out what your core strength is. You can use this as a sort of test to see how you're progressing and if you are engaging your core properly. Now, this is also, well, it's fine when you're laying down, you've got the back to push against the floor, but when you're standing up, it can be a little bit different. So Kelly, let's stand right back up. All right, so there's a few cues that we like to use here at Hybrid Fitness to help you think about engaging the core when you're standing up. So the first one is, imagine if somebody's gonna punch you, right? So you brace, you pull that belly button in towards your spine, and doing that is gonna help tighten everything up. It's gonna help secure that back when you're doing different moves. Another thing just to think about, this might help you more visualize, is have you ever gotten into the shower when it's really cold, but you thought it was gonna be hot? Right, you step in, whoa, you kind of jump back. The belly button pulls in and your core tightens. Think of those 2 different cues, and that may help you engage your core when you are doing the different exercises. We do have some more videos coming at you very soon. So actually, we've got a deadlift video that you'll see next week, and that is on how to actually breathe while you're using the core. So make sure to tune in on that. But if you have any more questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, and until next time, small steps, big results.